A recent workshop organised by the Ministry of Agriculture in partnership with New Zealand's Ministry for Primary Industries aims to boost market access for Fijian growers and exporters. The workshop held in Osori is part of a broader initiative under the Pacific Market Access Partnership designed to strengthen trade ties and open new avenues for Fijian agricultural products, particularly kava, in international markets. Eparamuarua with this report.
Farmers and exporters from Fiji will soon benefit from a Pacific Trade Market initiative with New Zealand. As part of the program, a mini trade forum will be launched this year, providing a direct platform for New Zealand buyers to engage with Fijian exporters.
Collaboration is key, whether we are discussing topics on improving supply chains, expanding market access. It is only by working together, from private growers
Kava Corp, one of Fiji's leading exporters, is also exploring this new market arrangement. The company has faced new challenges following the imposition of tariffs in the US, its largest export market.
US is one of our biggest export market, and with the recent tariff imposed by the US, we also looking at new opportunity. And when FDI reach out to Fiji, basically we grab it with open arms, and we're looking at this would be an opportunity to explore the New Zealand market.
He says the company is now diversifying and exploring alternative markets, including New Zealand.
It's something beyond that we can control. It just grab it as an opportunity. That does not stopping us from further looking at the US market, but again, explore new opportunities globally as well.
The workshop provided insights into regulatory requirements, quality standards and logistics, helping local exporters better position themselves in competitive international markets. The upcoming trade forum is expected to build on this momentum, potentially unlocking new revenue streams for Fiji's agriculture industry. Eparamuarua, Fiji One News.